to the Half Wig series. My name is Keandra. I post videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle. I decided to do a series on half wigs because I have been obsessed with half wigs. So I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve this look, if you care to know.
So let's get straight into it. Here's the wig. I got it in 20 inches and I got it in the body wave texture. So now we're just going to open the wig up and I'm going to show you guys the construction of the cap, how many combs it has, the drawstring, the clips, and everything else. Alright, so now we're going to check out the construction of the cap. It has 4 combs, I believe. Yeah, 3 at the top and 1 in the back. It has a drawstring so you can adjust it to your head. Now, my hair is pretty black, so I did have to go in and dye this wig jet black to match my hair. Now let's get straight into the breakdown. I have not blow dried my hair in 2 months and I do need a trim, so I'm just going to show you guys how I braid my hair. And don't come for me for these braids because I be trying, y'all. Like, I can braid, but I just can't braid my own hair good. Let me not even say that. Let me just say that I cannot braid my hair good on camera because turning around, trying to get my head in the frame, I ain't got it there yet. But shout out to all the hair girls who have this down pat. Alright, so I'm just braiding my leave out the way, and then we're going to move on to the braid down. Now, I am probably going to do just like 6 big braids in my head. So now we're just going to start with the first braid, and we're just going to braid them down all the way and then work our way to the other side. So here's my braid down. Now we're just going to oil our scalp. Do not forget to oil your scalp and massage it for at least 5 minutes a day. So now we're just going to put a wig cap on to protect our hair, and then I'm just going to put some Shea's Balm wax on it, and then I'm just going to press it out. Now, as I was pressing out my hair, I did start to feel a little bad because, like I said, I have not pressed in my hair in 2 months, and I need to get my leave out together because, as you can see, it's so damaged. It's fried dye and laid to the side. Here's the wig. I did dye it jet black, so now let's put it on. So we were back the next day. I did flexi rod the wig. Now let's just put this wig on to see what we can do. Now we're just going to take out the flexi rods and see if it held a curl. I didn't put anything else in the wig. I just flexi rodded them and let it sit overnight. flexi rods are out. Now we're just going to take the comb and we're just going to take some hair out and cover the track. Now this wig was very snug because I did adjust it with the drawstring. So we're just going to go around the front of my head and take some hair out to cover the track. Now this is what it's giving. I'm going to actually go in and curl a little more of the hair just so that it makes it a little bigger, because this wig is not as full as I wanted it to be. And to be honest, I probably should have got a kinky straight or yaki straight texture, but we're just gonna go in with our wand and we're gonna just add some more curls to make the wig a little bigger. Now, since this is a 3-in-1 wig, we're going to attempt to style it. Now, I'm just going to put in a quick half up, half down. This looks pretty cute. Like, I would wear this wig like this. Then we're just going to try another style. Like, I don't know what I was doing with this style, but I felt like if it was a little more tamed and a little more smoothed out, it would probably look pretty cute. But here's the second look.
So what I do like about this wig is that the texture is really great. But it's not as full as I would like it. As you can see, I put flexi rods and it already dropped like that fast. That concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching episode 2 of the half wig series. If you don't see any more of this series, it's because I found a new hairstyle. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.